guys, hoping you're doing fine. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title today, guys, I just decided to give you tips on how you can get your first 1,000 subscribers fast. This is how I actually got my first 1,000 subscribers. And you guys, I got my first 1,000 subscribers before I got 4,000 watched hours. And many people have been asking me, how did you make it to get to 1,000 subscribers fast and everything? So I just want to share this trick that I did to get my first 1,000. And I know maybe you're stuck at some number, because for me I was stuck at 200 subscribers. Like before I could get to 300, it became so difficult. And I had to think, YouTube is kind of a game. You need to think. It's like a mind game, so you have to use your brain and your mind. So for me, I got stuck there and I decided, what can I do next? Because one of my videos was getting so many views but no subscribers. So in case you're stuck, I'm gonna give you the secret and make sure you use it. I can assure you within no time you'll be getting to 1,000 subscribers. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so the first tip, this is what I believe actually got me to my first 1,000 subscribers. Right now, I'm actually not doing that. So the first tip and the first thing I did was to hide my subscribers. So there's something about being below 1,000 subscribers. I don't know, most people will not easily subscribe to you when they see you have less than 1,000, especially if you have less than 500 subscribers, unless people are very loyal to you. So I don't know why people don't want to be among the first people to subscribe to a channel. You will find that when you're below 1,000, only people that you know or YouTubers that want to support you. So in case you are a starting channel, make sure to hide your subscribers. Like, start by hiding your subscribers. Let me tell you something. One of my videos was getting about 200 views in a day, but no subscribers. Imagine getting 200 views, yet no one is subscribing. So I realized something must be wrong. People are loving the video, they are loving the content, but they don't subscribe. So what I did, I hid my subscribers. And guess what, guys? I would get now 10 subscribers in a day, 9, 10, sometimes 12. In that full month, I gained 310 subscribers. Yeah, guys, imagine. So if you hide your subscribe button, I think people will be more attracted. Like, they will just subscribe because they don't know whether you are a new YouTuber or you're not. So in case you have a viral video and it's doing well, but your subscribers are not growing, try hiding your subscribers, your sub count. And I hope this will give you results. You guys, make sure you comment down below after you hide and tell us if that tip helped, because for me that is something that actually grew my sub count so much. And then now later I realized so many people are subscribing, yet they are not viewing my content. I actually gained my first 1,000 subscribers within 3 months after hiding. Imagine, from 200, and within 3 months I had 1,000. So now I got to 1.4k. Yani, I saw, no, this is becoming too much. Like, my channel is growing so many subscribers, but now they are not watching my content. Now that's when I stopped hiding my sub count. So that's a tip. If you want to get your first 1,000 subs, hide your sub count. I am sure if I hid my sub count right now, it will start growing again, and within no time I'll be at 4k. But because I'm not in a hurry to grow my sub count, I'm not hiding. So the second tip that will actually help you grow your subscribers is through loving people's comments and replying to their comments. That is the best way to engage your audience. So make sure you like comments. Like, if anybody comments on your video, even if they leave a love emoji, love their emoji back, reply with a love emoji. It doesn't harm, it won't hurt if you reply to a comment. Actually, I realized people grow more, like they create a better bond when you're engaging them. And also when you engage your comments, you know who are your most, your number one fans. So make sure you engage your people when they comment to you, when they talk to you, answer their question, and make sure you are active on the comment section. You don't want people to be talking to themselves. If you do that, I can assure you, you won't grow because you're a small YouTuber. The third tip that I can give if you want to actually grow subscribers is to post. Be consistent. I don't mean that you post every day. The worst thing you can do actually is to post every day. I tried. Let me tell you from experience, do not post every day if you are trying to grow. You will be discouraged because nobody knows you, and then YouTube behaves as if it's fed up with you. It won't recommend your videos when you are starting, that is. So you want to grow subscribers fast, so make sure you post consistently, but do not overdo. So you can plan to post twice in a week or once, at least once, but twice is also good. Make sure each and every time you post, do you know what happens if you do not post? People forget. Yani, people will forget you. It's very easy for people to forget you on YouTube. So if you don't want people to forget you, if you want to keep growing, make sure you post and post and post consistently. Usipotee, do not get lost anytime. Don't even think about getting lost, okay? The fourth tip that I did that helped me the most, like this one, after now hiding subscribers, this is my number two. Actually, I should have said this as the second point. Make sure you research. Do SEO. Like, SEO means search engine optimization. Like, search for your content, create titles that are searchable. Like, for instance, you cooked ugali or you cooked rice. Do not write cooking rice in a normal kitchen. No, how to cook rice. Like, put titles that people are searching for. Yeah, I remember when one of my videos went viral, I was only thinking of, helping people make money at home because I was using these apps to make money. And so I wanted to actually post it as, these are the apps I use as my side hustle. And then now I later realized people are actually searching for apps to use. So I changed the title to 5 apps that you can make money with at home. And guys, that title made wonders. Like, that video had around 200 views. And when I made that title, I can remember it was on a Wednesday. By Friday, that video had 1,000 views. So you can imagine, titles are a great deal here on YouTube. So make sure you put a title that is searchable when you're starting, because nobody knows you, and if you put something that people are not searching, you will be discouraged, and you don't want to be discouraged. And that leads me to the next tip, which is never give up. Like, do not give up on YouTube. In case you're not getting those subscribers, keep posting, keep engaging the few that you have, and you don't know, it usually happens like a miracle or like magic. You will wake up one day and find your channel is blowing up. Like, there will be that period of time that many people will be attracted to your channel and everything. So don't give up. If you're really passionate and if you know this is your thing, don't give up on it. Like, do what you can, and I can assure you guys, you will make it. It's not really hard to maneuver on this space, as long as you just follow the tips, do the right thing, as long as you're doing something that people want to watch, something that you're doing out of your heart. I can assure you, you will make it. The videos that I have done with a lot of passion, the ones I did from the bottom of my heart, thinking nobody will watch, are the videos that are doing the best on my channel. Like, if you go to my channel and search most popular, you see all those videos you see there. I was not doing them like with the energy. Like, I was like, let me just help those who will view, because I never thought many people will watch those videos. And then, to my surprise, so many people watched those videos. And then I realized people are watching these videos because they are informative, and those are the videos I do from the bottom of my heart. So if you do this, if you're really passionate with YouTube, you really want to educate someone, to entertain someone, then don't give up, and yeah, tell God your dreams and then do them. all will be well. It doesn't matter the time, as long as your right time has arrived. You won't believe, guys. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Please make sure you like this video and comment down below. Tell me what you think about this video, and subscribe, because I'll be sharing more tips on how I made it, like how I maneuver in this space. We are still trying to figure this out, so I'll definitely be sharing my tips, and I hope you guys will enjoy. So watch my other videos for more insight, and I'm hoping to see you guys in my next video. So